and welcome to today's video. Now, what is it that you think that you could use as a natural ingredient on your skin to have it looking amazing in no time? I have one ingredient for you, and this is avocado. Avocado is really great for the skin. It contains vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and it also contains fatty acid. But guess what, guys? I'm going to show you how to use the avocado with other ingredients to create a powerful facial mask that is going to erase years off your skin, transform your skin, use it at night, and wake up with younger looking skin. So if you're interested, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
And over to the avocado, and today the avocado is $3 for $2. And take a look at these, they are like so tiny. I hate these. Well, the trouble is finding a ripe one. Do you know how to choose a ripe avocado? When avocado is in season, I really don't buy these, but this is all they have, and at this time of the year, this is all I'm gonna get.
Now here we have the avocado, and avocado is beneficial to the skin in that it penetrates deep into the skin and hydrates the skin. It also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. What I like very much about avocado is that it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and it also contains vitamin K and B6, as well as folic acid, magnesium, and potassium. Now, avocado also have beta carotene and omega-3 fatty acid. Now, these wonderful vitamins are antioxidants that help to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines, that help to boost the collagen production in the skin, that help to smooth the skin, hydrates the skin, and just leave the skin soft, supple, and younger looking when used on a regular. So if you want to get all the benefit from your avocado, try to use a little avocado at least once per week. Now moving on to our next ingredient, and this is coconut milk. Coconut milk have high levels of vitamin C, which help maintain elasticity and flexibility of the skin. It is also rich in copper and prevent wrinkles, sagging skin, and age spots. Coconut milk also is good for smoothing the skin, and it also helps to hydrates the skin. Now, coconut milk is very moisturizing, hydrating to the skin. Now, guys, this is not coconut water. This is coconut milk. For those of you who don't understand the difference between the milk and the water, the coconut milk is taken from the coconut itself after you blend and juice, while the coconut water is found inside the coconut. What we're using is the milk that you get from the coconut itself. Very, very great for your skin. And now let's move on to our next ingredient. Now here we have another ingredient, which is rose water, used for centuries for skincare and also basically for personal care. Rose water have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness and the irritation on skin. It helps to get rid of acne. It also is good for eczema. It helps to cleanse the face by removing oil and dirt and any form of build-up that clog the pores. It also helps to hydrate the skin, refresh the skin, and especially in mature skin, it will just leave your skin looking younger and refresh. Now our next ingredient is honey, and take a look at the honey up close. Now honey is a natural antibacterial ingredient, so it helps to fight like acne if you have pimples. But what I like honey for most is the anti-aging properties that help to smooth the skin, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin, and also help to lock the moisture in the skin, leave your skin just hydrated, soft, and supple. So definitely, guys, try to use up your honey in your homemade facial. Now guys, for the next ingredient, I have options for you. I am going to be using some Fuller's Earth. Now Fuller's Earth is a clay, and this clay will have to tighten the skin. It will have to lift and firm the skin, and it will just have your skin looking lifted, tighter, and just younger looking. Now for those of you who do not have Fuller's Earth, not to worry. The best alternative to the Fuller's Earth or to any clay, if you have any clay at all, you can use the clay in this recipe. If not, here is my optional ingredient. This is oatmeal, and what you're going to do with the oatmeal, you are going to blend the oatmeal to a powder. Just blend the oatmeal in your blender as powdery as you can, and this is what you're going to use. Oatmeal is going to do basically the same thing as the Fuller's Earth. Since it helps to absorb the oil in the skin, it also helps to tighten and firm the skin, and it will have your skin just looking lifted, toned, and younger looking, just as the Fuller's Earth. The only difference is that the Fuller's Earth contains some form of minerals that you will not find in the oatmeal. Okay, now for this recipe I'm going to be using a blender. However, it is not a deal breaker if you do not have a blender. Just get a fork or a spoon to crush your avocado. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my avocado, and I'm going to use about an ounce of avocado. Now this is just good for one treatment. I don't suggest that you make too much of this. Just make to use no more than twice. Use it up within 3 days, because the avocado could go bad really fast. And now that we have our avocado in the blender, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach for the Fuller's Earth. Now the Fuller's Earth is very absorbent, so you do not need a lot. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the Fuller's Earth. If you are using the oatmeal, go ahead and use a tablespoon. So we're going to put our 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth in the blender with the avocado. Next, I'm going to reach for my honey. And I'm using a teaspoon of the honey. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of rose water, and that should be good. And now at this stage, we are going to cover and blend. If you do not have a blender, please just use your fork and crush this. And this have an amazing fragrance coming from the rose water. If you have acne prone skin, this is good for your skin also. You can go ahead and add a little bit of a tea tree oil in it. Next, we're reaching for our coconut milk, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the coconut milk. So just pour this in the blender with the rest of the ingredient. Take a look, here it is, and let us scrape this out in a bowl. Now take a look at what we have here, the blended mixture. Now let's scoop this out. Now take a look, guys, here it is, our avocado honey facial mask, and look at this up close. This is exactly how you want it to look. This facial mask is gonna nourish the skin, tighten sagging skin, lift and firm, while hydrating, while softening the skin, while having your skin free from wrinkles and fine lines, and just leave your skin amazing when used on a regular. Just look at that. And this is how you're going to apply it to your skin. You're just going to apply your facial mask to clean skin and completely cover your skin with this facial mask. Now, it's a very thin layer that you're going to make on your skin. Since you have the fullest earth, what is going to happen when you wear the mask is going to dry on the skin. While it's drying on the skin, you're going to feel that tightening sensation on the skin, but when you rinse off with room temperature water, your skin is not going to be dry at all. It's going to feel hydrated, soft, supple. Now you want to use this facial mask at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. But here it comes, guys. This is an amazing way you can also use this facial mask. You can leave it on your face for 30 minutes to dry. However, you can choose to use a little bit, not a lot, of this facial mask as a nighttime facial mask. So just wash your skin, apply the mask to your skin, let it dry on your skin, sleep with it overnight. Upon arising in the mornings, you're going to be amazed of the wonderful result that you get from this amazing facial mask. Store any leftover in your refrigerator and use it up in 3 days. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. Now here's the question for you. Is there an ingredient in this recipe that you would change, and what substitute would you use for the avocado? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.